Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going through Cambridge IGCSE paper 4 from October-November 2023. So if you are new to the channel, I would request you guys to subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. So without any delay, let's start. So the question number 1 that we have here is from transformations. You can see these diagrams here. So let's go through one by one the questions. The first one is describe fully the single transformation that maps from shape A onto shape B, from A to B. So if you see, look at these. So this is not flipped, so this is not the reflection, so these have been moved. So how much is moved? Let's say we are taking this point, choose any point. I'm taking this vertex here, so to this one here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So that means 7, which is on left hand side, so this will be negative, and for x axis it's going 1 down. So this is a translation along like -7 -1, right? So this is 2 marks question. You should have at least 2 points to write here. Shape A onto shape C, A onto C. You can see this shape is rotated. You can see the shape is rotated. We can use tracing paper to see the rotation. So this is A. So there, if we have, let's say this is the center. So if we move, you can see like this is not moved this way. So that means this is moved clockwise like this, right? So shape is coming like this. So first we know this is a rotation. So first you write here a rotation clockwise. So then we will see how much is this is clockwise. So we will see like where is the center. First of all, we need to have the center. So we have this shape is here. So center is, if we take this one is coming down, so that means our center should be somewhere on right hand side. Let's say if we have here the center, the shape is going to be like this, which is bit low. So let me move this way here. So if I take 5, again we are just nearby to the shape. So then let me take this one here, the shape, put the tracing paper on the shape. So if I go here, you see we got this one. So meaning this is the center. So rotation 90 degrees. We just rotated once 90 degree clockwise, and the center is 5 1. Okay. Now part B. On grid, draw the image of shape A after reflection in the line y equals to 2. Line y equals to 2, y1 is here, y equals to 2, this is the line. Y equals to 2. So we are going to make the reflection of shape A. Reflection of shape A. If you see, then this one is going to be we can use again the tracing paper. So here is the line, so you can just flip it this way, right? So your new shape is going to come over here. So it's coming at this point 6, then here, and then there. So this is your new shape, right? Or there is another way. You can just count the number of squares, like 1 2 3 4 from the mirror line, which is y equals to 2. 4 down, then we will go 4 up, 1 2 3 4, right? Then similarly for the other, this will be 6 down and then 6 up. Then you can just join the vertices for all these points, right? So that is our part B1. This is B1. Part 2, shape A after enlargement with the scale factor of -2 and center is 0 0. So now the center is 0 0. So this question is a bit tricky. Enlargement scale factor, we have negative scale factor here. of A. So let's say this is point P, this is Q, and this is R. So let me write it down how we are going to get. Point P coordinates are, you see this coordinate is 2 and negative 2. So this is 2 and negative 2. So we are going to multiply this by the scale factor, which is negative 2. So our new coordinate of P dash will become 2 times 2, this is negative 4, and this is going to be positive 4. That is for the P. So for Q, you see the coordinates of Q are 3 and negative 2. Q is 3 and minus 2. So again multiply by minus 2. So Q dash will become 3 times 2, negative 6. 2 times 2, negative 2, it's going to be positive 4. So 6 and positive 4. Similarly R. R is going to be, the coordinates of R are 3 and negative 4. 3 and minus 4 times minus 2. So this is coming out to be, let me write down here, 3 times 2, negative 6. 4 times 2 is 8, negative 6 and 8. So we have these three coordinates for the enlargement. So negative 4 and 4, negative 4 and 4 is here. Then we have negative 6 and 4, negative 6 and 4, and negative 6 and 8, negative 6 and 8. So these are our new points. So just join them to get a new shape after enlargement. So that is question number B, part 2. Okay, so that's it. So you can see this is like 2 plus 3, 5, 7 and 9 marks question. So be careful, it's not that hard. So you need to be careful while drawing the enlargements, right? Now number 2. Sorry. Question number 2, we have here S equals to half AT square. Find the value of S when A is 9.8 and T is 20. So we are just going to replace the values of A by 9.8, A times T square. T square is 20, 20 squared. So just you can calculate 20 squared, sorry. So this is 4.9. So 20 square times 4.9, 20 power 2 times 4.9. This is 1960. Okay. Now part B, solve this. So we have to find out the value of y. So multiply here. 5 times 4 is 20, y minus 5 times 3 is 15 equals to 15, right? So 20y equals to 15 plus 15. This 15 we are going to shift on other side. 2y is equal to 30, divide by 2, divide by 2. So this is 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now number C, part C, expand. So expanding the brackets. So 3 is going to multiply to both of them. So 3 times 5 is 15x. 3 times is minus 24, negative 2 times 3, negative 6x, negative and negative is plus 14. Now combine the like terms, 15 minus 6, which is 9x, 14 and 24 minus 10. So 9x minus 10 is final answer. Rearrange A to make C the subject. So we have here A, C is this side, so I'm just going to copy everything on left hand side equals to A, because we are making C the subject. So then negative 3 C cube, let me do it other way to make it easier for you guys. You know, there are many ways to do one question, so you should always see however you are comfortable. So shift 3c, because this is a negative sign, so it will become positive. 3c cubed on the left hand side, shift a this side. So 2b squared minus a, right? So c cubed is 2b squared minus a over 3. And c is going to be cube root of 2b squared minus a over 3. So that is the final answer, cube root of 2b squared minus a over 3. Right. Now factorize. For factorization, you see we have 4 terms here. So we can make pairs of 2. So 6 and 4, 2 is common. P is not here, but we have q on both, 2q is common. So we have 3 times 2, 6 is 3 times 2, 3, and then we have p minus 2. Now you see your second bracket should have the same expression as you have in the previous one. So 3p plus 2, but we need minus, so we can take out minus 1 here. So then it will become 3p minus 2. Now this and this is common, 3p minus 2. So we are left with 2q minus 1. So 3p minus 2 and 2q minus 1. Now question number 3. Question number 3, we have the table shows the information about sum of planets in the solar system. We have planets here, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. We have diameter here, and then we have average distance. Now this question is a bit long, so you need to be doing this with patience and with calm mind. So first part is the average distance of Mars from Sun is this much. Write down the distance as ordinary number. So this is simple question. So 2279, there is a decimal here, we will not write down here. Here is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 zeros, then 3 decimal places, so then this decimal will come here, this goes, so 2279, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilometers, right? The planet Uranus has diameter 35.8 of the diameter of Jupiter. Calculate the diameter of Uranus. So Uranus diameter is 35.8 times of this. So that means the diameter of Uranus is going to be equal to 35.8% of diameter of Jupiter. Jupiter's diameter is 143,000 kilometers, right? So this is 35.8 over 100 times 143,000. So just calculate with the calculator, it comes out to be 51194. 51194 kilometer is already written there, right? Now the next one is the ratio diameter of Neptune to diameter of Saturn can be written as 1:9. So diameter of Neptune, diameter of Saturn, in ratio 1 to n, find the value of n. So we will look for the diameter of the Neptune. Neptune is 49,500 and Saturn is 120,500. Now divide by 100, you are going to get 495, 1 to n. So for 1:n, this should be 1. So 495 divide by 495. So let's see, this will come 1 over here. Then this is 1205 divided by 495. So this is 2.434. 2.434. So 2.43 to the 3 significant figures. Okay. Now next, find the average distance of Neptune from Sun as percentage of average distance of Earth from Sun. Average distance of, we are all these distances are from Sun, so you need to not to look for this. Distance of Neptune and distance of Sun we are going to compare. So Neptune is here is Neptune, so 4.495 times 10 raised to power 9 to the average distance of Earth. Earth is here, so 1.49, 6 times 10 raised to power 9. So when you divide this, as percentage, so you need to multiply it by 100. So I'm dividing this 4.495 divided by 1.496. This is 3.00467 times 10 raised to power, this is 9 plus 2 11 minus this 9 10 raised to power 2. So 10 raised to power sorry, this one is 8 here, this is 8, sorry, I copied wrong, this one is 8 here, so this is 8. So 3.00467 times 10 raised to power 3, so decimal is going to come over here, so that makes is 3004.6, so approximately 3005%, right? So let's move to the next question, next part of this. So there are many parts of this. Question part 5, distances within the solar system are also measured in astronomical unit, right? The average distance of Jupiter from Sun is 5.2 AU. This is like another unit. Calculate the average distance of Mars from the Sun in astronomical unit. So now we need to see the average distance of Jupiter from Sun. So let me show you that table again here. So if you see, this one is we have two units, then this is in kilometers. Distance within the solar system is measured in AU. So we have AU unit here, and the other one we have here the kilometer, right? The distance of the solar system also measured in, yeah. We are talking about the Sun. So for the Sun here, Jupiter, the Jupiter's is here 7.786, right? So the other unit in kilometers, so this is 7.786 and this is equivalent to 5.20 AU, right? And now we are looking for the Mars. So Mars in kilometers, Mars in kilometers is 2.279. This is 2.279 times 10 raised to power 8. So how much this will be in AU? So you see, you need to be very careful while picking the data from the table. So just cross multiply. So this is going to give you the value of x. 5 times 5.20 times 2.279 10 raised to power 8 divided by 7.786. So when you calculate this one, this, you see I have also made mistake, there is 10 power 8 here, 10 power 8. Once you calculate this, this comes out to be 1.52, right? You just use directly the calculator. Now part 6, we have here part 6, the diameter of Mars is 39.2% greater than diameter of Mercury, right? So let's say this is Mars. The diameter of Mars is greater, so Mars is bigger than Mercury, this is Mercury, this is Mars. So this diameter is greater than this diameter, 39%. So let's say diameter of Mercury is x. So diameter of Mercury is x, then diameter of Mars is 39.2% of x is greater than this, right? So the diameter of Mars is going to be x is diameter of Mercury plus 39.2% of x again, right? But we are having this, we are given this diameter of Mercury. Diameter of Mercury is diameter of Mars is given to us. Diameter of Mars is here 6,800. So this is 6,800. So now just calculate this. 39.2 over 100 times x equals to 6800, right? So x is common from here, x is common, so we have 1 plus 39.2 over 100 equals to 6800. Okay, so then you just calculate this. This is going to be x times 139.2 over 100 equals to 6800. Once you multiply this, it comes out to be 4885. Just the calculation here. Shift all this to other sides, times 100 divided by this, right? So that's it, but you need to be careful, guys, about picking the information from the table. Now part B. 1 light year is the distance. 1 light year is the distance that light travels in a year of 365.25 days. The speed of light is this. This is the speed in kilometer per second. Show that 1 light year is 9.461. So now you know that speed is equal to distance over time, right? So we are looking for the distance here. Light year is now is a distance, right? So distance is speed times time. Speed is here 2.9979 times 10 raised to power 5. Now the time is this one here, right, in days, but we need as in seconds. So 365.25 days, from days to 24 hours, hours to minutes, which is 60, 60 to then seconds. Okay, so this is how we are going to multiply this. So now once you multiply this, let's see what are you getting here. So 2.9979 times 365.25 times 24 times 60 times 60. This is 9. Oh wait, let me just make it easier. 9 times 365.24 times 24 times 6 times 6 is 36. 10 raised to power 5 is here. Then I'm adding 2 zeros here, plus 2, it will be 7. So when you calculate this, this is going to become, this is coming now 2.9979 times 365.24 times 24 times 36. So I have this here as 946039.3885, 10 raised to power 7. So but we are writing is as correct to 4 significant figures. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm bringing decimal here. So 5 units, 9.460, 10 raised to power 7 plus 5, 11, 12. So we are making it this one. So this is, there is like 9 here, so we can make it 1. So 9.461 times 10 raised to power 12. That's what we need to prove, right? So that's done. Now number 2, the distance from Andromeda galaxy to Earth is 2.40 times 10 raised to power 19 kilometers. Calculate the time taken for the light to travel from the galaxy to Earth. Give your answers in millions of years. So this is tricky part here. So now we have distance. Distance is 2.40 10 raised to power 19 kilometers, right? And then we have speed. Speed is equal to distance over time, and we are looking for time. Time is going to be then distance over speed. So distance is 2.40 10 raised to power 19, there is no doubt. Now speed. What is speed? Speed is here, this one here, 2.40 9979 times 10 raised to power 5. So this speed is in kilometer per second. Okay, and we are looking it for in years. Okay, so then we are going to multiply here by divide it by 24 times 60 times 60 times millions of years, 10 raised to power 6, right? So you just use your calculator to do this one. I'm getting it here 2.54. So it is 2.54 million years. Remember that you are going to calculate this one, or there is another method. You can directly take this one here. This is already calculated. So 2.46 no, where is it? 2.40 10 raised to power 19 divided by, and this is already calculated, but then you have to take it 10 power 6, which is million years. Again you are going to get the same answer, right? Now question number 4. Lucia has two fair spinners. Spinner A is 5-sided and is numbered 1 2 3 4 5. Spinner B is 9-sided and we have the numbers here 3 4 and 5. They are repeating. Lucia spins two spinners and records whether they land on a prime number. So for the prime number we have, for spinner A is 3/5. So total is there are 5. So the other one will be 2/5, right? So this is going to be 2/5. Then for spinner B, the prime number and then the prime. So how many prime numbers are there here then? So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is going to be 5 out of 9 because they are 9 numbers together. So not prime, that will be 4/9. So now not prime, then here it is prime again, 5/9, and this is going to be 4/9 again, right? Now next we have part 2. Find the probability that the two numbers are both prime. So both prime is this one here and the other one. So we have 3/5 times 5/9. So simplify, this comes out to be 1/3, right? Two numbers are not both prime. Are not both prime, they were both prime is we have 1/3. So 1 minus 1/3 will be both prime. So this is 2/3, right? Now part B. Lucia spins a spinner 120 times. Find the expected number of times the spinner lands on prime number. So lands on prime number we have here, the spinner that lands on prime number lands spinner A. We are talking about spinner A. Spinner A lands on prime number is 3/5. So when it is spun 120 times, so this is going to be 3/5 times 120. So 5 times 2, 24 times 3, 72, right? Now Lucia spins spinner B twice. Find the probability that two numbers land on add up to 9 or more. Twice is here. So meaning she is doing this one 2 times. So we had this spinner B, we have the outcomes 3, 3, 3. Then we have 4, 4, 4 and 4, 5 and 5. We will make the sample space of that. So this side also 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 5. So they add up to 9 or more. So we are adding 3 plus 3 6, 6, 6, 4 plus 3 7, 7, 7, 5 plus 3 8, 8. Same here 6, 6. Then we are going to have 7, 7, 7 like this. So complete the sample space like this. Then we will see then 4 plus 3 is 7, 7, 7, 4 plus 4, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9. Again 7, 7, 8, 8, 9 and 9. Like this. For 5 we will have 5 plus 3, 8, 8, 8, again 8, 9, 9, this is also 9, 10, 10, 10 and 10, right? So once the sample space is complete, then you can count, add up to 9 or more. 9 or more we have here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 we have here. I left those 18, 19, 20. So it's 20 out of this is 9, 9 times 9. This side we have 9, this side we have 9. Total outcomes are 81. So final answer is 20 over 81, right? Now part D. Lucia keeps spinning spinner B until it lands on A. Find an expression in terms of n for the probability that it happens n on the nth spin. So now, okay, so now if you see that we have here, we are talking about spinner B. Spinner B is here. 4 is coming 4 times, right? 4 out of 9. So it keeps on spinning until getting 4. So if this is the probability of getting 4 is going to be 4 over 9 and probability of not 4 getting not 4 is remaining is 5 over 9, right? So it spins like P4, sorry, not it's going to spin until gets 4. So the probability P not 4, let's say first time did not get 4, second time did not get 4, third time did not get 4. So it continues unless you get to n spins, unless you get 4 over 9. Finally let's say 4 over 9 is got. So this one is going to be, if this is spent n times, so total number of terms is n. So one term before that is going to be n minus 1. So probability of not 4 is 5 over 9. How many times? N minus 1 times 4 over 9. So this is going to be the expression, right? So 5 over n 9 power n minus 1 times 4 over 9 is the final answer for that, right? So that was question number 4. Now we have question 5 here. So for question number 5, you can see there is a triangle here. ACD is a right angled triangle. B is on AC. Here B is on AC. BC is 54.5. AD is 83.2 and angle ABD is 38. We are given all these dimensions. Calculate angle ACD. ACD, this angle, we are looking for this angle, right? So if we can find out this length, then we will be able to use this triangle. So for that, first we are going to take the smaller triangle. In triangle ABD, we will have using SOHCAHTOA, this is adjacent, right? This side is adjacent, this is opposite. So adjacent and opposite, we are going to use tan. Tan of 38 is equal to opposite is 83.2 over adjacent is A, which is AB, right? So from here AB is going to be 83.2 divided by tan 38, right? So once you do that, you're going to get it 106.49 meters, right? So we got this one 106.49. So now we will take the bigger triangle. In triangle ACD, this ACD, so again we will use SOHCAHTOA. Tan of angle ACD is equal to 83.2 over we are looking for this total is going to be 54.5 plus this 106.49, right? So when you do this one, this is tan and ACD is equal to 83.2 divided by 54.5 plus 106.49. So this is 0.517, 0.5168, right? So angle ACD, we are going to take tan inverse of 0.5168, that is 27.34, approximately 27.3. So final answer is 27.3 over here, right? Now next part B, we have another triangle here. EFG is right angle triangle. On circle, a circle can be drawn that passes through 3 vertices of the triangle. On the diagram, mark the position of the center of the circle with the across. Explain how do you decide. So to find out the center, whenever you are given a triangle, to draw a circle on that, we will take the midpoint of the sides, right? So any 2 sides we can choose and find out the midpoint. So from here we are going to draw an arc like this. Then from the other side, this will give midpoint of this side like this. So then we join this one, and then we will take any other side, one of these 2 sides. So I am taking this side here, EF, like this. So then you join this one, so this is the center. Now once you have this center, then you can see if you draw a circle like here, it will pass through all these points. Like this, right? So how have you decided? We can write down that angle in semicircle is 90, because this was 90 degree. So we can say angle in semicircle is 90 degrees, right? Now part C, we have 2 triangles here. In triangle LMN, the ratio of L angle M is and to N is 4, 5 and 6, and another we have the sides here. So calculate the difference between the largest angle in triangle PQR and largest angle in triangle LMN. First of all, we need to decide which one is the largest angle. So this is the side, biggest side, so largest angle is going to be this one in this triangle PQR, and in LMN we have the ratios of angles. Angle L is 4, let's say this is 4x, okay, and then M is 5x, and then this one is 6x, right? So that means this angle is the biggest one. So we are looking for the difference of these 2 angles. So in triangle angle L, ratio angle M, ratio angle N is 4, ratio 5, ratio 6, right? So in this triangle, then we will take the angle is equal to 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 180. So 6 plus 4, 10, 15x is 180, x is going to be 12 here, right? So once this is 12, so then we have what is angle N. Angle N is 6 times 12, that is 72 degrees. So we will need this later. So this is the biggest angle we have got. Now in this triangle we will use the cosine rule. By cosine rule, to have here we are having here PQ. So PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square minus 2PR times RQ times cos of angle R, because we are looking for angle R here. So PQ is 6 squared, PR is 4 squared, RQ is 5 squared minus 2 times 4 times 5 times cos of angle R, right? So this is 36, 16, 25, 40 cos of angle R, right? So now we can just calculate this one, 36, and this is 16 plus 25, it's 41 minus 40 cos of R. So let's shift cos this side. 40 cos angle R is equal to 41 minus 36, which is 5. So cos of angle R is 5 over 40, which is 0.125. So then angle R is cos inverse 0.125, which gives us angle 82.8 degrees, right? Now we are looking for the difference. So the difference is going to be angle N minus angle R. So angle N minus angle R, angle N is 82.8 degree minus this one is 72. So this is 10.8. So final answer is 10.8, right? That's the difference. Question number 6 is from sequences. We have here the sequence ABC, first term, second, third, fourth and fifth. Complete the table for 3 sequences. So the fifth term we are looking for sequence A, we have -7, -3, then we have here 1 and 5. If you see, it's addition of 4, right? When you add 4. So formula of nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So A first term is 7 plus n minus 1 into D is 4. So this is -7 plus 4n minus 4. So this is 4n minus 11. So 4n minus 11, and the fifth term by adding 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, right? So that is B. Now for A, now for B, we will have here 7, 13, 23, 37. So you see the difference here, it is 6, 10, then we have 14, then we will see, then this difference is 4. So that means after 2 steps we are getting that. So that will give us n squared, 1 square is 4. So if we take 2n square, it's gonna give us 1 square times 2, it is 2, but we need here 7, so plus 5, right? So 2n squared plus 5. Here if you see, by adding 4, then next we are going to add 18. So 37 plus 18 gives you 55, right? So now for sequence C, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be 6 here in the numerator. Here we have 27, 81, 243. If you observe carefully, this is powers of 3 power 6. So this is going to be 3 power 7. 3 power 7, if you do, it is 2187 once you expand that. So similarly you can easily get here, you see, then this is fifth term, here it is we have 6. For fourth term we have 5, so 1 more than that. So that means n plus 1 here, and over 3 power what? 6 is, here is fourth term 6, for fifth term it's 7, so plus 2, so n plus 2. So that will give you nth term of C. Now in sequence, the sum of the first 49 term is this, and sum of the first 50 term is this one. Find the 50th term. So it's easy. 49 and 50th term is given, so just subtract that to find out that term. So 7644, so this is 331. So 331 is the final answer. So that's it for this video. Remaining question we are going to do in the next one. I hope you guys understood everything. I will wait for the comments, your feedback in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Be blessed, guys.